onto wheel 3, and I just realized that I was videotaping sideways the whole time like an idiot. So anyways, you'll see I had to put a true 2x12 under this because the floor wanted to cave in under that jack stand. But we're getting there. So now that I realized I had my camera sideways last time, here's this beautiful Western Pennsylvania barn. Where this baby has been entombed for 22 years. All right, we are loaded up. We've got her sitting up on jack stands, and we've got the wheels in the back of the CTS over here. So hopefully I can take those into town tomorrow and get them mounted, balanced. And a couple days here, we'll drag this whole girl out of this resting place here. So see you then. All right, we're back with tires and trailer and Jake with reinforcements on the way to get this thing out here. That might actually be just perfect for the angle that it's at. So we'll see you guys inside here. Random videos while I'm doing this. Tires on, trailer ready. We're almost there, folks. First time she's gonna see sunlight in 22 years.
How are you as far as your 2 ramps?
It looks good here.
Okay, come back the other way, Jake. Okay, straighten up.
You good?
Okay, just back. Okay, come on, Matt. Hold on. There's a, okay.
Video for the YouTube tutorial. Out in the sunlight for the first time in 22 years.
Matt, you can turn your truck off. We're not burning fuel and heat, Mac. Okay, you ready?
I think we're ready to get her home. This is our helper. We already have some tiny furry friends that made the journey home, creeping around, so we'll have to take care of those fellows before they get into anything else that they shouldn't be in. All right, we're back home. The magic happened, and we've now got 2 sister cars in this garage here. 66 Toronado came home today, and of course the 78 Eldorado. So stay tuned. I'm going to have a lot more photos of this car, videos, bringing her back to life, cleaning her up, washing, waxing, getting her running. And I don't know if I mentioned it in the other videos, but this was restored in the mid to late 90s, and then she was parked about 98, 99. So she's got some crud on her from being in the barn, but we're gonna bring her back. So stay tuned, folks, and we'll get this girl back on the road.